Hello everyone, welcome back to ForceBolt's YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will walk you through one of our recent projects where we will show you how we switched away from paper-based signed documents and created an electronic document with the assurance that e-documents will be an authentic and trusted as their paper version. Before moving on to the project overview, let us tell you what is InvoPay. InvoPay is a payment platform that enables merchants to send electronic invoices to customer who accepts the invoice, verify the digital sign and make a payment. This digital invoice automation process makes it easy for customers to view items that they are paying. The application also facilitates the merchant for reconciliation of payment receipts and many more features. The customer has the option to pay their invoices through multiple channels like credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay and NPP real-time payments. Our application is built on the microservices architecture, developed using the Spring Boot framework as a backend technology and front-end on React for web application and React Native for mobile app. Application is deployed on the AWS EC2 instance as a container service using the Docker Composer. Now, let's have a look at the project overview. Our team assisted its client to switch away from paper-based signed documents and created an electronic document with the assurance that e-documents will be authentic and trusted as their paper versions. As a solution, we have integrated the Entrust signing automation service plus text automated workflow for authenticating and e-invoice generation using signing automation client based on PKCS11 that is installed together with the iText suite, which enables iText to connect to the service and automatically query unique seal for each document generated. Let's take a look at its advantages. It is secure, connections are strongly authenticated and secured by TLS. It is fast, only a hash value of the document to seal is sent to the service, which is a few bit long. It is a risk-free since the service only receives hash value. Your sensitive data never leaves your premise. Moving on to the demonstration part now. To create an invoice, a merchant can log in from the mobile app as well as from the website. So here you can see the website and I have logged in as a merchant. If you go to this navigation, here we have the invoice tab. If you go to this tab, you can see the button which creates a new invoice. By clicking on this button, a form opens up and by filling it all the mandatory details, we can generate a new invoice. A merchant can add an invoice due dates according to him. Here you can see that the merchant details are already here from which we have logged in. And we can select any client. In this item list, we have to add the item that the customer has already purchased for which he is going to pay through the invoice. So here we have buttons to generate an invoice and on clicking this button, the invoice gets generated. We can see the same by a message which will reflect on the top of the invoice list as you can see here. And this is the invoice which we have created recently. By clicking on the name of the invoice, you can see the invoice and you can see here the jacket for which we have created the invoice. If we want to see the verified digital signature, we have to download it and open it in Adobe Reader. Source of the trust obtained from Adobe Approved Trust List. If you want to see more details, just go to this Show Signer Certification button and here you can see the summary like it is issued by Entrust Class 3 Client CA. It is valid from this date to this date. You can also see other details like version, signature algorithm, subject, issuer, etc. You can also see revocation, trust policies and legal notices. So an e-invoice can provide the same level of authentication as a paper-based physically signed copy through the use of digital signature and encryption techniques. That's all for today's session. We hope we have delivered quality content to help you with your requirements. Having a similar or different project requirement? No worries. We at ForceBolt have a full-fledged team of app and web developers who can assist your company in boosting efficiency and productivity with custom needs. Being a leading web development company, ForceBolt is the one-stop destination to cater to all your front-end, back-end development requirements. With a team of experts, we offer you a rich experience of technical excellence. Connect with us now.